Hello. Are you ready? Okay, how are you? I'm happy, very good. How are you? What is your name? My name is Mao. Mao. Okay, let's start my good picture. Very good. Okay, what is this? What? Water. Bubbles. Bubbles, louder. Bubbles. Bubbles. Toys. Toys. Bubbles. Towel. Sponge. Okay. Mao, sit down. Toys. Where are the toys? Toys. Toys. Water. Very good. Bubbles. Very good. Next. Where is the towel? Towel. Towel. Let's take a bath. Sponge. Next. Let's have your body parts, my dear. What's this? Head. Head. Louder. Head. Arms. Arms. Hand. Legs. Foot. Foot. Okay. Find it, my dear. Where is the leg? Leg. Leg. Head. Head. Arm. Arm. Okay, let's have your cars. Let's have your transportation. What is this? Broom, broom. Car. Brum, brum. Truck. Beep, beep. Bus. Choo, choo. Train. Airplane. Okay, what do you see? I see a car. Okay, that's the end of our high five. Goodbye.